In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can delete or you disable your account or your Discord account. It's simple and easy. So to do this, just launch your Discord like this, and then you move to your profile, which is by tapping on your U here. So on your U, you tap on the settings here. So I tap on that, move to your account. So on your account here, scroll to the bottom. Good. So here you can see disable, you can see delete. So before you can disable your account, you need to transfer every server to a different account. You get it? So let's say you, just like I did in my previous video, you transfer the role like an admin role to a different person, so the person manage it before you can disable your account. If you have a server on it, deleting your account too, you need to kind of do same. Yeah, good. So you need to transfer all the servers them. So after transferring them, and you are not an admin, you can proceed to delete your account so it doesn't affect the servers and it doesn't affect the fun people are having on your servers. So that's it on how you can disable and delete an account on Discord. If you're new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. That's it for the video. Peace.